Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Kim of Gone by Kim. I'm a makeup artist based in Lagos, Nigeria, and a YouTuber. If you're a returning subscriber, you're a darling. But if you're new here, you're welcome as well. Welcome to Glam Family. So today I'll be taking you guys through a Smokey tutorial. The last Smokey we did was black, so today we are trying something a bit different, which is purple. Yeah, we're going to look fabulous. So if you're interested in seeing how this look is going to be created, please do keep watching. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Yeah, the most important one is share this video, guys. Thank you. Let's head right into the tutorial. So guys, I didn't want to wipe my face from the no makeup tutorial because I didn't have much on my face as you saw in the tutorial. So I went ahead to mix my foundations, Milani and Huda Beauty, and I'm applying it on my face. Yes, and I'm using the beauty blender from Nuban Beauty, or rather the beauty sponge. After which I went ahead to use my orange corrector in for concealer as my blush. You guys already know I use this a lot, and I went ahead to use a dark foundation for my contour. I have a detailed contour tutorial on my channel. If you're interested in seeing how I contour my face in details, please do well to watch that. So I'm using my pro concealer to highlight my under eyes. I didn't put much, like I said earlier, so I'm just putting something I need for a full glam, highlighting the proper areas, the T-zone. And yes, I forgot to show you guys, I sprayed my face as usual with my setting spray before blending my foundations. Right here I'm using the remnants of the concealer to have like a reverse contour. And here I'm still using my setting spray. Guys, I live for this setting spray. I can use the setting spray like 5 times when I do my makeup. I just love getting hydrated, or rather love my face getting hydrated. So here I used my Mira Cosmetics in Ginger to highlight my face, and I had to put a bit to bake. It's not like I bake on a normal day, but because of the shadow I didn't just want a lot of fallout, and I went ahead to use my House of Tara blush palette to still apply as my blush. To just help the liquid blush I used earlier come out properly. Here I'm using my Me Color powder palette to contour my nose, and after which I went ahead to use my Mira Cosmetics setting powder in Ginger to do my reverse contour for my nose and my reverse contour for my cheek. Guys, I'm loving this look already. I'm looking all snatched up. Like, you guys, you can't, not like you can't catch me without being contoured, but if I'm gonna wear makeup, then I should wear makeup. Yes, a full glam it is. So here I'm filling up my brows using my Davis pencil. So here I actually filled it in first before outlining, if that makes sense to you. I think I just discovered this today. Yes, here on this video, and I've been doing it for a while. So if you want to see an updated brow tutorial, I will bring it to you guys. So here I'm using my pro concealer to highlight my brow bones, and I'm using a really light one for beneath my brow bone, and I'm using another color for the outer part of my brow bone, or rather of my brows, because you wouldn't want the underbrows to really look messy in a way, because yeah, you might find it difficult blending the lighter one if you use it for your outer corner of the brows. Does that make sense? I know it does. So here I'm using my base, which is Clown White. I didn't use concealer for this tutorial as my base because it's a purple shadow, so I needed something to make it really pop. So I figured out that this concealer, or rather this base, which is Clown White, would help me do the job. And this is me blending the Clown White. Yes guys, I need to blend this Clown White because it just helps the shadow to get blended properly. So here I'm using my House of Tara Queen Amina, the purple shadow, and I'm tapping it. I'm not swiping, I'm just tapping gently. So I went ahead to build it up until I felt it was okay. Yes, if you're enjoying this tutorial, please do well to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Yes, please don't forget to share as well. Thank you. You're the reason I'm here. So we are still patting. I didn't want to fast forward here because I just wanted you guys to see the messy aspect of this, guys. And thank God for the setting powder I have under my eyes. It could help me catch out the fallout, so my foundation will not get ruined. So I went ahead to use a light brown earth shade. I think it was earth shade kind of color to blend out the smoky. I'm using another brush to properly blend it out. It's purple smoky, but it still needs to be blended out properly. That's the idea. So here I'm using House of Mascara for my lashes, after which I went behind the camera to apply my lashes in Mismetics. So here we're using Glam Look by Chem Lippies. Glam Look by Chem what? Lippies. If you've not shopped from us, guys, you are wrong. You are what? You are so wrong. Please head over to my page now at Glam Look by Chem and shop. My link will be in the description box. Please do well to shop from us. These products are amazing. I'm not saying this because it's my brand, but I'm saying this because I offer what is good to people I love, or rather I introduce people I love to what is good. So here I'm using Kima, that's a brown lippy, to line my lips. And this video I actually wanted to have a full lip, so I overlined my lips. I guess you get to see it at the end of the video and tell me if you love it or not. Well, I know you love it. So here I'm using lippy in Marmand. Yes, and this is a nude lippy. I could have allowed this look like this, but I just wanted something else to spice it up. So I went ahead to use our gloss and Mara. This is like a pink shade. It's a gloss. So I blended it to just smacking. See, our lippies are just the bomb. I don't know. I don't know what else to tell you to believe, but these lippies are what? The bomb. So after doing that, I went ahead to use Ezekiel concealer just for the middle of my lips. I just needed to spice it up a bit, just something different. You get it? I know you do. Yes, and adding a bit of it. After which I went ahead to use my classic gloss to finish up the lips. To finish up what? The game. We are ready. What else is remaining? So here we need to dust our reverse contour, what we've been baking, and all. Like, the food is ready. So we're almost ready. We're almost ready to hit the road. So this is me blending properly my face, because guys, after dusting off your reverse contour, you need to blend it properly. If not, you will have some harsh lines, and that's not good. That's not good. So here I went to use Juvia's Place eyeshadow to weaken the inner corner of my eyes and to give it a different spice. Because last smoky we did, I don't think we did this. So this is me bringing different smokies and different ways you could rock it. So it's not like your regular purple and black. On this channel we spice things up. So here I'm using a powder to just blend up my under eyes, like more like blend the eyeliner I used earlier. And this is me applying my highlighter. You guys already know what I use, and my highlighter is a BH highlighter. I'll put everything you need to know in the description box below. Yes, so guys, we are almost done with this tutorial. Have you shared this video? Have you shared this video? If you enjoyed this tutorial, please do well to share this video and turn on your notification bell to get notified each time I put up what? A new video. So here I went ahead to change, and I remembered I needed to still use my mascara for my under eyes, so I'm using Maybelline in this video. And guys, I'm already looking hot, like I'm feeling myself. Hey guys, we're back, and this is the final look. What do you think? Is it something you would love to try out? If yes, please do so and tag us on Instagram at Glam Look by Chem. Yes, thank you so much for watching today's tutorial. I hope you learned one or two, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. We're looking like a what? A bag of money, guys. Can you beat this? All right guys, thank you for watching once more. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you've not. Please subscribe to this channel if you're just coming across this video for the first time, and share. All right, and yes, the notification bell as well. Please turn on the notification bell so you get notified each time I put up a new video. Yes, see you in my next video, guys. Bye.